In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to send money using Zelle on US Bank app. Let's get started. If you haven't enrolled in Zelle yet, make sure you do that first, then you are ready to go. Start by opening the US Bank app and log into your account. At the top navigation bar, tap on the Zelle shortcut. Once you're inside the Zelle page, choose Send and Request Money with Zelle. On the next screen, tap Send Money. You can add a recipient in two ways, by scanning their QR code or by selecting from your Zelle ready contacts. If you don't have the QR, just tap the cross to go back and select from your saved recipients. Choose whether you want to contact them via their email address or phone number. Now enter the amount you want to send. Review the details carefully. You can also change which account you are sending from. When everything looks correct, tap Review and then hit Send Money. After sending, you land on a confirmation page. Here, you can tap Save Details if you want to keep the payment info for future transfers, and that's it. You have successfully sent money using Zelle on the US Bank app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.